Hello dear student, welcome back again in our online lecture series. In last lecture we have discussed the chemical reactivity of alcohol. Two types of reactivity is shown by the alcohol. Alcohol may act as a nucleophile or electrophile. Whenever alcohol react as a nucleophile, there is breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond and gives proton. And once chemical species which gives proton, it is considered as acid. So various types of acids are there. So proton donor acid, then lone pair of electron acceptor type of acid, that is Lewis acid. So alcohols are Bronsted type of acid which donate the proton to the strong base, isn't it? So let us discuss the acidity of alcohol, the order of acidity, and also we compare the acidity of alcohol with water as well as phenols. Let us discuss acidity of alcohol. So alcohol react with base, strong base. Okay. ROH. This is alcohol, isn't it? This base abstract proton, and there is formation of conjugate acid BH plus R O minus, isn't it? This is conjugate base, this is conjugate acid, then this is base, this is alcohol which acts as an acid. It donates the proton to the base. Alcohol donates the proton to the strong base, and there is formation of conjugate acid base pair, isn't it? So acidity of alcohol is due to the polar nature of OH bond. So alcohol, acidity of alcohol is due to polar nature of OH bond, ROH. Okay, so this is lone pair of electron of oxygen. Oxygen being more electronegative, acquire partial negative charge. Hydrogen acquire partial positive charge. The polar nature of this OH bond. That. Again, we want to compare the acidity. How much alcohols are acidic in nature? If you compare the acidity of alcohol with water and phenol, so alcohols are weaker acid than water as well as phenol. If you compare the Ka value for water, pKa, okay, we compare pKa of water. pKa of water is 15.7. Then pKa of alcohol, okay, pKa of alcohol is, it is in the range of 15.5 to 16.1, and pKa of alcohol, pKa of phenol is, it is 10.0. So what is this pKa? pKa is nothing but, okay, I will write here in the box. What is pKa? pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. Now what is Ka? Ka is nothing but dissociation constant, isn't it? Dissociation constant. Higher the pKa value, lesser will be the acidity. This is the relation. Higher the pKa value, lesser will be the acidity. In this case, alcohol have greater pK value, 15.5, it is the value of methanol. Then ethanol, propanol. Once carbon chain increases, acidity decreases. Acidity decreases. This is due to the inductive effect. This is due to the inductive effect because polar nature of OH bond decreases as number of carbon atom attached to this OH group increases, isn't it? This is due to the positive inductive effect. So let us discuss how this is work. Now we want to compare the acidity of alcohol. Acidity of alcohol in the 1 degree alcohol, then 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohols. So the order is 1 degree alcohol is more acidic than 2 degree than far greater than 3 degree alcohol. Isn't it? It means that tertiary alcohol are less acidic, least acidic, isn't it? So how this is? This is due to the plus I effect of alkyl group. Plus I effect of alkyl group. In case of 1 degree alcohol, there is only one alkyl group is attached. For example, this is RCH2OH. This is 1 degree alcohol, isn't it? There is only one alkyl group. It may be ethyl, methyl, isn't it? Primary alcohol. Then in secondary alcohol, in case of secondary alcohol, it is 2 alkyl groups are attached to the carbon atom CH-OH. This is secondary alcohol. What happened? This alkyl group donate the electron to the carbon atom which is attached to oxygen, isn't it? So what happened? The electron deficiency of oxygen is compensated, isn't it? So electron density increases on oxygen, and once electron density increases on oxygen becomes electron rich and it will not pull the electron from hydrogen, isn't it? So ionization of H plus, ionization of hydrogen or giving H plus ion in aqueous medium is less, isn't it? In case of tertiary butyl alcohol, there are 3 alkyl groups. 3 alkyl groups are there. 3 alkyl groups are there and more inductive effect, plus I effect. They donate the electron to the carbon atom which is attached to OH group, and hence electron density is increases on oxygen and polar character decreases. Therefore, I can write here we can write the question. Explain why 3 degree alcohol is less acidic, less acidic than 2 degree alcohol and 1 degree alcohol also. 1 degree and 2 degree alcohol. Okay, we can write here 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. This is our question. Okay. Explain why tertiary alcohol, 3 degree alcohol is less acidic than 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. Or we want to prove the order 1 degree alcohol is greater acidic than 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. So answer is, we can write answer. Okay, answer. The acidity of alcohol due to polar nature of OH. Okay, we will write like this: OH bond in alcohol. Okay, already there in alcohol. Polar nature of OH bond. This is our first point. Second point is what happened as number of alkyl group increases plus I effect also increases, or due to positive inductive effect. So already we have discussed what is this inductive effect. Okay, shifting of electron density toward more electronegative atom. So methyl group, ethyl group, or in general alkyl group are showing positive inductive effect. They are electron donating in nature. So in case of 1 degree alcohol, this is our 1 degree alcohol, RCH2OH. There is only one alkyl group, therefore having less plus I effect than 2 degree alcohol, which have two alkyl group. Okay, and in case of 3 degree alcohol, this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 3 degree, or tertiary alcohol. So in case of tertiary alcohol, due to more number of alkyl group, higher will be the positive inductive effect, and hence polar character decreases. Third point, due to plus I effect, polar character decreases. Hence, due to polar character decreases, electron density increases on oxygen, and there is difficult to release H plus ion. Therefore, what happened? I will write here. Fourth point. Due to increased electron density on oxygen, release of proton or H plus is less. Hence acidity is also less, because acidity is depend on the tendency to give H plus ion. And tendency to give H plus ion decreases with increasing plus I effect. So this word is very important. Underline this word, plus I effect. Then polar nature. Then this plus I effect decreases electron density. Okay, and acidity is less in case of tertiary alcohol. So this is about acidity of alcohol. Alcohol shows several reactions with active metal and gives alkoxide, which is formation of base. Alkoxide is the base, and once there is formation of alkoxide, which indicate alcohols are acidic in nature. So copy this, then we will discuss the reaction of alcohol with active metals. Alcohol react with active metals like sodium, potassium, or in general alkali metal, and aluminum also, which is not active, it is pre-block metal. Okay, but still it react with the alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Okay, so let us discuss how the reactions are there and how there is formation of alkoxide. How there is formation of alkoxide. First, alcohol react with sodium metal. I will write general reaction ROH plus sodium. There is formation of RONA plus hydrogen gas release. Let us balance the reaction. We will take 2 molecules of alcohol, then 2 molecules of sodium metal. We will give 2 molecules of sodium alkoxide. This is our alcohol. Then active metal sodium. This is our sodium alkoxide. Okay, which is base. Okay, salt is actually salt. Sodium alkoxide. This is general reaction. We will take example. First example, ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH plus sodium, that gives sodium ethoxide CH3 CH2ONA plus H2 gas liberated. Okay. 2 molecules. Then third example, that is tertiary butyl alcohol CH3 CCH3 CH3OH. Tertiary butyl alcohol or 2-methyl 2-propanol. 2-methyl propane 2-or. Tertiary butyl alcohol react with aluminium. So aluminium have plus the oxidation state, and we will require 2 molecules of aluminium, and it will require 6 molecules of tertiary butyl alcohol. When 6 molecules of tertiary butyl alcohol react with 2 molecules of aluminium, that gives aluminium butoxide. CH3 C CH3 CH3O. Okay, so OAN. Three times, taken twice. Okay, taken twice. This is 2 times and this is 3 times. 3 दूनी 6. Here 6. Aluminium butoxide plus thrice H2 gas liberated. Okay, it is correct. And name is aluminium butoxide. This aluminum butoxide is very important. It is source for the synthesis of nanoparticles of aluminum, isn't it? So very good source for the Sol-Gel method, because alkoxide source is required for the Sol-Gel method. So after hydrolysis, it will give hydrolysis and reduction. We will get aluminum nanoparticle. So these are the reaction in which hydrogen gas is evolved, which indicate the acidic nature of alcohol. So or breaking of, we can say it involve this reaction involve breaking of oxygen oxygen hydrogen bond in alcohol. So this reaction involves breaking of oxygen hydrogen bond in alcohol. So with this we have to stop here, do the copy, okay, and we will discuss in next lecture the acidity of, we will compare the acidity with phenol also. So hello, thank you.